Good morning, all. Welcome to Chemistry online class. On the last class, we discussed about halogen compounds. What are halogen compounds and how chlorine is manufactured? So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about interhalogen compound, which is very important. Interhalogen compounds are formed when two different halogen atoms combines with each other. They are on the form of XX dash, XX3 dash, XX5 dash and XX7 dash. So, interhalogen compounds are formed by reacting two different halogens. How it is prepared? It is prepared by the direct combination. For example, chlorine plus fluorine taken in an equal volume at 437 Kelvin to form chlorofluoride, which is AX3 type compound. So, these are the examples for the preparation of interhalogen compounds by the direct combination with a particular ratio. The peculiarity of these compounds are covalent in nature. It is diamagnetic. It may be volatile, solid or liquid, except chlorofluoride is a gas. And there is a physical property intermediate between that of the constituent halogen, except that there is a melting point and boiling point is higher. And except fluorine atom, interhalogen compounds are more reactive. Here is the structure of two interhalogen compounds, chlorofluoride and IF7. Chlorofluoride, which is T-shaped structure, and IF7 is pentagonal bipyramid structure. The usage of these compounds: they are used as non-aqueous solvent. They are very useful in fluorinating agent. Chlorofluoride and bromofluoride are used in the protection of uranium fluoride in the enrichment of uranium-235 isotope. Oxoacids of halogen. We already studied about different oxoacids of nitrogens and phosphorus. First oxoacids of halogen atom is hypofallous acid, then hypochlorous acid, hypobromous, hypodious acid. And chlorine is exist in three forms: HOCl, which is hypochlorous acid, and HOClO, chlorous acid, HOClO2, chloric acid, and perchloric acid. These are the structure. Hypochlorous acid is HOCl, that is simple V-shaped structure. Then chlorous acid contains two oxygen atoms. So one is double bond O and another one is bridge with hydrogen and chlorine. Next one is chloric acid. Chloric acid have three oxygen atoms, so two double bond of oxygen and with a bridge of oxygen atom. Then perchloric acid have four oxygen atom with the three oxygen atom as double bond and one as single bond. So these are the properties of interhalogen compounds. Next one is group 18 elements. So group 18 elements are generally known as noble gases elements, and the elements belongs to these categories are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. And its general electronic configuration is Ns2Np6 except for helium, which has an electronic configuration of 1s2. And they show very low chemical reactivity because they are not participating in any kind of reaction since they are stable elements. Coming to the periodic properties of these elements, first periodic property is ionization enthalpy. They have got high ionization enthalpy and it decreases down the group with increase in atomic size. Atomic radius also increases down the group with increase in atomic number. And electron gain enthalpy, they have large value of electron gain enthalpy. Physical properties of these elements are, they are monoatomic, colorless, odorless, tasteless and sparingly soluble in water. They have low melting point and boiling point, and they have weak dispersion force. Helium is one of the elements which have low boiling point of around 4.2 Kelvin, and it can have the property of diffusing through most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glass or plastic. We already know that noble gases have stable electronic configuration, so they are less reactive. They have, because of their high ionization enthalpy and positive electron gain enthalpy. Compounds of inert gas. First prepared compound is formed by Neil Bartlett, which is coming from the University of British Columbia, observed the reaction of noble gas. He prepared a red compound which has a chemical formula of O2P2F6 and have ionization enthalpy of molecular nitrogen is similar to xenon. He also made effort to find out some compound with xenon and was successfully preparing another red color compound which is XePtF6 by mixing platinum hexafluoride and xenon. Coming to the uses of these noble gas, helium, which is a very light gas, so it is used in filling balloons. It is also used in gas-cooled nuclear reactors. It is used in produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnets which form an essential part of modern NMR spectrometers and resonance imaging system for clinical diagnosis. It is also used as diluent for oxygen in modern driving apparatus because of low solubility in the blood. Neon. Neon is used in discharge tube and fluorescent lamps. It is used in botanical gardens and in greenhouse. Argon is used as metallurgic process. It is used in laboratory for handling substance. And there is no significant use for xenon and krypton. They are used in light bulbs for special purpose only. So these are the properties of interhalogen compounds, its usage, and the group 18 family and its properties and its usage. So hope you get the concept of p block elements very well. You have to study the structure of each and every compound with a molecular formula, and the related link and the note is attached along with this video. Go through the link and download the notes. Kindly attend the test paper without any fail. So, see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye students.